going to be making for you a very, very basic chia pudding recipe with just only a couple of ingredients, and then what you can do from there is add to it however you feel. You can add in chocolate, you can add in fruit, but this is just a really good, simple recipe to get the basic of chia seeds and getting them into your diet, because they are a fantastic source of protein and also a really good source of those omega-3 oils. So I'm just going to get started. I've got just over 600 mils, about 630 mils of coconut milk. You can use any milk that you like, but I prefer coconut milk. And then I've got 3 tablespoons of white chia seeds. You can use black, it doesn't really matter. Pour those in. And you'll be seeing that I'm using the amazing Vitamix A3500 series. Bit of a tongue twister, that one. And notice as well that it's not starting because my lid is nowhere in place. That's a great feature of this machine. So yes, if you do have it and it's not starting, check if that lid's in place. But we're not ready yet. We need to add in some sweetener. I've got a tablespoon of maple syrup here, and also a teaspoon of vanilla extract, which really gives it a yummy, 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 yummy taste. You can add some salt in as well if you'd like, just to bring out that sweetness. All right, I'm gonna clip my lid into place here. You've got 2 sections here, all good to go. Alrighty, so I'm gonna get it onto 1 to start with. I'll pop my tamper in just in case if we do need it, but I don't think we will. And we'll go. And just slowly work your way up to high. It almost does like an emulsifying effect as well with those chia seeds. And if we're being exact, that was 57 seconds, everyone. The old handy timer here let me know that. Didn't need the tamper at all for that one, but we've got a nice smooth consistency now. These are my favorite things to whip up at home because they're easy, they're healthy, and you can really cater to your friends' loves with chocolate or fruit, anything like that. So as you can see, it's nice and smooth. You can just pour it into any old jar. We've got some mason jars here. Then what I like to do is to this mixture, I'll add some strawberries to give it a nice pink sort of color. So I'll pop this in the fridge for a few hours, I'll set it, and then I'll use the pink mixture from this one, pop it on top, set it again, bring it out. You could even get a cacao powder and pop it on top of the set strawberry, in the fridge, set it, and then display it with anything that you like. That's one that's going to be going in the fridge. Here is one that I prepared earlier, and as you can see, this beautiful thick texture. Really simple. The texture is what really gets me. So I love blending it all together so it does get that pudding. And we're gonna make these all look pretty, take a photo, and see you for the next recipe. Happy blending.